Few aircraft in history have captured the imagination quite like the Grumman F-14 Tomcat. Whether you know it from the skies over the Persian Gulf or from a certain 1986 film involving aviator sunglasses and a need for speed, the Tomcat is one of the most iconic warplanes ever built. And right now, that legend has returned to the workbench. Tamiya has just released their brand new 172 scale F-14D Tomcat kit. The story begins in the late 1960s. The United States Navy needed a new fleet defense fighter, something that could intercept Soviet bombers and their long-range cruise missiles before they ever got close to a carrier group. The Navy turned to Grumman, a company known for their ability to build carrier aircrafts. The result, first flown on December 21, 1970, was the F-14 Tomcat. The name Tom was partly a tribute to Vice Admiral Thomas Connolly, who championed the program, and partly because Grumman had a long tradition of naming their aircraft after cats: the Wildcat, the Hellcat, the Tiger Cat, the Cougar, the Jaguar. The Tomcat fit right in. The F-14 was revolutionary for several reasons. Three in particular set it apart from everything that came before it. 1. The variable sweep wing. The wings could swing between 20 degrees for high-speed flight and 68 degrees for slow carrier approaches, and even fully swept to 75 degrees for compact storage on the flight deck. This so-called swing wing gave the Tomcat extraordinary versatility, performing equally well in a close-in dogfight and at supersonic cruise altitude, something most single-configuration aircrafts could not achieve. 2. The AVG-9 radar and AIM-54 Phoenix missile. This combination was unlike anything in the world at the time. The Hughes AVG-9 radar could track 24 targets simultaneously and engage 6 of them at the same time, at ranges exceeding 100 nautical miles. The AIM-54 Phoenix missile, carried exclusively by F-14, was the weapon to do it. In the Cold War, this capability was a decisive edge for carrier battlegroup defense against coordinated Soviet bomber attacks. 3. The two-man crew. Unlike most fighters, the Tomcat carried both a pilot and a radar intercept officer, the RIO, sitting behind. The F-14D, or the Ultimate Tomcat, introduced in 1991 and operational from 1992, was the pinnacle of the Tomcat design. Earlier variants, the A and B, had their issues, most notoriously the unreliable Pratt & Whitney TF engines of the A model, which were prone to compressor stalls at high angles of attack. The D model fixed all of that. Received 2 General Electric engines, dramatically improved thrust reliability and handling. Gained a fully digital glass cockpit, replacing analog instruments with modern multifunctional displays. An upgraded radar, offering improved resolution and better resistance to electronic jamming. Equipped with targeting pods, giving it a precision strike role. Crews nicknamed it the Bombcat. Only 37 F-14Ds were built new, with 18 more converted from earlier airframes. Small in number, but never in capability. The F-14D Tomcat was officially retired on September 22, 2006, replaced by the FA-18EF Super Hornet. Many who flew it, and many who simply watched it, mourned that day. It was loud, complex, expensive, and demanding, but it was also magnificent. In the words of one Navy aviator, she was a lady who knew she was beautiful. But let's talk about the new kit from Tamiya. Tamiya's new 172 F-14D Tomcat has been met with near universal praise across the modeling press. EPMS USA's reviewer called it probably the best plastic model kit I have ever built, citing the extraordinary fit of parts as the defining quality of the experience. The kit is entirely new tooled, not a scaled-down version of Tamiya's celebrated 148 F-14D from 2018, but a purpose-built 72 scale design developed with lessons learned from that earlier release. The IPMS USA review describes the assembly process as one that reminded me of the best moments in my model building career. The fit of parts is described as spectacular. 0 gaps, no filler required. Veteran modelers and scalemates note that Tamiya blows Great Wall Hobby out of the water for a clean part display Tomcat, both in accuracy and in the ease of assembly. Detailed Scale View calls it a great choice for modelers who didn't have the space for a bigger set, noting that quality is fully on par with the larger scale, with only a handful of minor design decisions that might raise an eyebrow from the most detailed obsessed builders. Perhaps the most striking observation from the modeling community. The 172 kit is not simply a scaled down 148. In certain areas, it is arguably more detailed. Parts were not directly miniaturized. Tamiya's team re-engraved and re-engineered key surfaces specifically for this scale. The Grumman F-14D Tomcat was and remains one of the greatest aircraft ever to fly from a carrier deck. And in Tamiya's new 172 kit, that legend now belongs to your workbench, in a form that, by all accounts, does it full justice.